Hello, welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics, question 39, WASSCE November-December edition. Given that sine 2x plus 1 odd degree equals 0.5, where x is between 0 and 90, we have to find, correct to the nearest degree, the value of x. So this is one of the applications of the trig ratios we can deal with. Now I am going to digress a bit and just say that we let 2x plus 1 degree equals to theta. What do you think I will be writing? I will be writing sine. The whole of this is now theta equals to 0.5. So what will be your attention? Your attention is to find the theta here. So how do we find it? By dividing through by sine, or better still, finding the sine inverse. So theta will be equals to the sine inverse of 0.5. So theta will be giving us what? 30 degrees. So meaning the value of the theta, whatever is supposed to be here, is supposed to be what? 30. So this also implies that 30 degrees is the same as what? 2x plus what? 1 from here. Theta is this, theta is this. So we can equate the two. We have to bring this guy here, making it 29 equals to 2x. But I'm looking for the x, which we are asked to find. So 29 on 2, 2x on 2. I believe this will go here 1 time. Then 2 goes into 9. That will be 4 times 0.5. That will be giving us x. So this is the answer. But we are leaving the answer in the nearest degree. So x will be equals to 15 degrees. If you approximate this 14.5, it becomes what? 15. Then the value we are looking for will be the option D. Understand? You follow? Good. It is not obligated to equate the 2x equals to theta. You could just begin, just like you have done for here. You maintain the 2x plus 1 in here and find the sine inverse. As in, we can have the sine 2x plus 1 equals to 0.5. Since we take this as just an angle we are looking for, 2x plus 1 will be equals to the sine inverse of the 0.5. So you have it as 2x plus 1 equals to 30. 2x equals to 29, x equals to what? 15. You can go the same way, but I want to understand why we will be able to do this, leaving the 2x, not thinking of expanding it. Do you get it? Because it is just representing a particular angle. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and